Hey guys, this is Mani Karthik here. Welcome to another episode. In this video, I'll tell you how to earn money online with blogging, working from home. All legit, no bullshit. Let's go. But first of all, who am I? What makes me qualified to say this, isn't it? Well, for the last 10 years, I've been working in the US and Middle East helping small and big companies succeed online with marketing. But I got bored and returned back to India in 2017, and ever since have been focusing on my blogging and other work from home activities. I've been a blogger since 2005 and have been generating income entirely online through my blogs. Today, I make around a lakh rupees from blogging every month. Sometimes it even goes up to 5 lakhs per month, sometimes 1 or 2, and somewhere in between. I've done a video showing how much money I make online. You can watch it by clicking here or here. So yes, I've tried pretty much every opportunity that claims to earn money online. Many of them didn't work out. Some of them were scams. Some of them failed. A few succeeded. So whatever I'm going to say is from my experience. I hope you like it. Okay, so now that the intro is taken care of, let's go straight into the topic. So first of all, why this video? So as you know, the situation in the world today is really bad. The pandemic is taking control. People have to stay indoors and the economy is coming crashing down. You need to find ways to earn on the side on top of what you're already earning, or even look at working from home as a career option. So let's talk about how to earn money online with blogging. You must have heard about blogs and bloggers, but what exactly is blogging? How do you make money from it? Let me tell you. So a blog is a personal website that is basically one person's thoughts that he shares on the website or the blog. It's his platform where he can share whatever he wants with the world. Now, many people think that blogging is for sharing creative things only, like poems, short stories, and random thoughts. That is not true. Yes, of course, you can choose your blog to be a place to share personal thoughts, but it's not going to make any money, right? A money-making blog has to have content in it that is useful to others. For example, let's say you're good at reading books. You have a lot of experience in reading famous books. So you start a blog where you share your reading experiences. You could also review books. You could talk about your favorite writers, books, styles of writing, techniques, likes and dislikes. Now you see how it becomes interesting to others, right? Now as you write more articles like these on your blog, it gets noticed by other readers or hobbyists. They start commenting on your thoughts and reviews. All of a sudden, you have a popular blog that is widely read by book lovers. You see how and where this is going, right? Now, where does the money come from? So let's say there is a famous book publisher in your city. They want to promote their latest book and is looking for someone who can reach to the entire audience of book readers. Now, who else other than you, right? So they will make an arrangement with you. They will pay you for reviewing their book. Or they might even give you a special link with which if someone buys the book, you get a commission. Or they might choose to place advertisements on your blog so that your readers see their new product. These are all ways for you to make money with your blog. So to start blogging, all you need is a web host, like GoDaddy, a domain name, whatever name.com that you can think of, and you're good to go. You can also try it free on WordPress if you want. All the instructions to start a blog is mentioned step by step on my blog. Check out the link in the description. If you follow them right, you will be launching your blog in 10 minutes or less, trust me. Now, there are many amazing professional bloggers from India who make a living entirely from blogging. I'll share their tips and recommendations too in the description below. Do check it out. You will learn a lot from them. Now, another question I get asked is blogging a reliable career path? So many people ask me whether blogging is reliable, should you quit your job to start blogging, etc. Will it always keep making money? Here's my experience. So if you ask me whether it is reliable, look at the current situation. Many of my friends who are working in cozy jobs are now threatened. They worry that they will lose their job. And what happens then? If they all had blogs that were generating revenue on the side, it would have been good, right? So because on your blog, you decide how much money you make. You decide when to work and decide your targets. Nobody is going to threaten you, and more importantly, nobody is going to fire you. So I have worked in my career as an employee too, and I know how bad it is. You always live under the fear that you will lose your job. So I started my blogging journey back in 2005 and did many jobs in between. I worked in India, the USA, and Middle East. But all the while, I had kept my blog running on the side. and it was making money. Initially, it wasn't too much. Maybe like, $200, $300 per month. But with time, it grew and grew and grew. Today, my blogs make around 5 figures in dollars per month. Nice, isn't it? So I could quit my other job and take to full-time blogging. And I won't recommend everyone to quit their job though. What I would say is to invest in a blog minimally. Start experimenting with it. Try writing, try promoting it, try to make it popular. Who knows, maybe you won't enjoy it. Even then, you won't lose anything. But if you enjoy it, if it becomes popular, and if you start making money, then that is good, isn't it? So yes, to answer the question, blogging is a good investment. It is like starting a new small garden in your balcony, just to pass time. Maybe if it grows well, you can make money from it later. If it doesn't work out, that's okay. You don't lose anything anyway. Now, the other question is, how long does it take to make money with blogging? So let's get some expectations right here. How long does it take to make money from blogging? My experience is that you can start making money as and when you build some solid traffic on your blog. Say for example, 1,000 to 5,000 page views a month. That is enough for you to start making money from your blog. But again, it depends on how you're making money from your blog. If it is ads, you need a lot of traffic. But if you're going for agreements like the book example I told you earlier, then it is going to be sooner. In fact, I think it's better to focus on the community around your blog and the popularity of your blog rather than how to make money. Because if you have an active, focused audience like the book readers I mentioned earlier, that's what advertisers want. That's what will get you the money. Now, a final word of caution. Many people start blogging thinking that it's an easy way to make money. Don't. It's a big mistake. Blogging is easy, but making money from blogging takes time. Sometimes 6 months, sometimes a year, sometimes more than that. It depends on how much effort you're putting in and which industry you're in. But it's possible. So if you're looking to make money quickly, you might want to try stock trading. But unlike that, you don't have the risk in blogging. It's like a lifelong investment. You start a blog today, it stays there forever and gives you returns throughout your life. How cool is that? Such is the power of blogging. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I have a lot more videos in this series where I talk about how to start your blog. Also, do check out the link in the description on how to start blogging. I hope you find it useful. If you did, let me know in comments. Like, share, and subscribe. This is Mani Karthik signing off.